Hello everybody, it's Crystal. Thank you for joining me. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet. If you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you look down below in the description box, you'll find a link of hundreds and hundreds of free crochet tutorials, all for you to enjoy. So on my channel, we talk about anything yarn and crochet related. So today let's talk about some yarn. And to my new friends that are joining me, thank you for always coming back and talking yarn with me. It really means a lot to me. So everybody want to hit that like button, and I'll show you what I got for you today. So little knits, they had some mystery boxes, and they still have them. I just went and looked. Today is 9/1/2022, and they do still have mystery boxes. Now their mystery boxes are a little bit different, but they are an exceptional deal. I love Little Knits. Now, I'm not affiliated with Little Knits, but they are my favorite small yarn company within the United States. I love them a lot. It is a place that you can get high-end yarns at excellent prices. So, I'm going to show you their mystery bags. It's not really like, it's like the same yarn, like 5 hanks or balls or whatever, the same yarn. But you don't know what colors you're going to get. They kind of color coordinate it for you. So I think it's cool. You know the yarn that you're going to get. Like it shows you different kinds of mystery bags and the yarn that you're going to get. But you don't know what color it's going to be. So do you guys want to see? I'm pretty excited. Super excited. I like Little Knits a lot. So I purchase from them quite often. And they come highly recommended by me. Personally, I absolutely love them, and they're very nice people. Now they're from Seattle, Washington. So why don't we go ahead and see what we got? I'll tell you, I'm excited. So I think that these mystery boxes, they have a bunch of different kinds of like cascade yarns, and you can pick which one you wanted, and then they put together certain color patterns for you. You just didn't know what it was going to be. So, nice. It's taped up well. Took on my muscles. Okay. Ooh, those look pretty. I always thought that they were really good at putting colors together at Little Knits. Okay. All right, let's see. So I got 5 bags. Let's see, 5 bags of Cascade 220 mystery bags. There's 5 skeins in each bag, and then 5 bags of Cascade 220 Merino. There's 5 skeins in each bag. So let's look at what we got first. Oh, they are beautiful. The color coordination. You could use these. These are beautiful. Okay, here's one. So like I said, you know what yarn you're getting, but you don't know what colors you're going to get. And I think that so far, what I can see, they did a mighty fine job of putting the colors together. All those would look so beautiful in a color or in a project together. So why don't we look and see what this one is? This is the Cascade 220, and it was $27.50, and that was for 5 mystery balls, mystery hanks, because you don't know what color you're going to get. But they all, they do a very nice job of putting them together. So, feels good. Smells good. Smells clean. Okay, Cascade 220. Made in Peru. 100% Peruvian Highland wool, 220 yards, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces. Hand wash, lay flat. All right, so I would, it's wool, but I would still consider it scarfable. I would make a sweater out of it, and it wouldn't bother me to wear it against my skin. So this is a medium weight number 4, I do believe. Let me check it out, just to be certain. They still have them. They still have it. Now, normally, if you bought 5 hanks of this, it would be $55. But it's only $27.50 here if you buy the mystery bag of 5 balls. Oh my gosh, I got the one that's in the picture. one that's in the picture. Yeah, medium weight number 4. There it is. You can judge on that. That's beautiful. That's nice stuff. So, I got the one in the picture. That's funny. Okay, let me put them together how they were. So, beautiful job putting them together. So 5 hanks of the 220 Highland wool, well put together hanks, were $27.50. That's an extremely good deal. Like I said, normally $55 and they were $27.50. You know what yarn you're getting, you just don't know what colors. But those are very, very pretty. And yes, those will all work well in a project. So this was one mystery bag right here. That is beautiful. I know some green lovers who would love this. Look at that. Wow, those are beautiful together. This is the same. Those are pretty. Some of those are heathered. Look at that. Those look so good together. They are so good at putting yarn together. Oh, this one had to be made for me. This is Bagoday, 100%. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know if it was made for me, but this, every color in here is my favorite color. Every single color. Brown, pumpkin, mustard, or like honey mustard, pea green, and then you got like avocado green. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite bag so far. I love it. It was a mystery. Oh, this is the merino one. Was this one the merino one? No, this is the merino one. Now, these were $29.99. They were a little bit more money for 5 hanks. Oh my gosh. I'm putting these all together in one project. Nice. Let's read about it. Cascade 220 merino. 100% merino. Hand wash, lay flat. Made in Bolivia. 220 yards, 100 grams, 200 meters. I love it. It's beautiful. 4-weight yarn. Now that is my favorite pack, and that one is going to be hard to beat on color-wise. That's like fall everywhere. Oh my gosh, I saw some mums today on the side of the road. That's fall right there. I saw some mums. And then my son got a pumpkin blizzard at Dairy Queen. I'm like, yes, fall's coming. I cannot wait. Fall. It's fall. I love fall time. It's not really fall because it's like 90 degrees here, but it's getting close. Oh, that's my favorite bag. But I got more. There could be more favorites. Let's see. This is Cascade 220 Heathers. Okay. So it's greens as well. Heather greens. This is different than this one. This is the other green one that I got. So yes, you can tell they're different. These are more darker greens, and then it's got some grays there at the end. Very, very pretty, and you can see the heather in them. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful yarn. $27.50. I just think they do a remarkable job putting them colors together. And this is the merino as well. Oh, those are pretty too. Look at those. Favorite color. Love that color. Love that color. Love that color. Love that color. Those are so pretty. Each one's just so pretty. There's so many colors. This is Cascade Heathers 220. So it's the $27.50. Look at those. Oh! So we have... this is going to be a close for first. I don't know. I'm going to have to choose between the two. We got like so dark chocolate brown. I mean, it's not black. It's a super dark chocolate. And we have a brown, and then we have a pumpkin. More pumpkin than the other one. Like, it's kind of a rusty. It's a dark pumpkin, I guess. And then we have this beautiful and neutral taupe color. And then another mustard color, but it's more of a honey mustard than the other one. Oh my gosh. This is not the merino. This is the regular heathers. Beautiful, beautiful. Put that over here in my favorite pile. What we got here? This is the merino. Oh man. These are beautiful. Gosh, they do such a good job of putting their colors together. Look at that. I love those colors. So, so pretty. The merinos were $29, and the other ones, the regular and the heathers, were $27.50. I remember they have other cascade yarns as well. They got Pima cotton and stuff. I didn't get any of that. I just went with this stuff. So here we got some blues. I got a blue lover on here. Show a couple of them. This is $2.20. Beautiful blues. That was a little periwinkle, purplish color, but the rest are very, very. And they kind of fade out to a little bit of a purple there. Those are pretty, pretty, pretty. I know someone who would love that. And then we got merino again. These are blues and purples with the gray in the middle. All, I think, which would work well together in a project. Very, very nice. And then I got one more bag to show you. Ah, it's beautiful. These are the merino as well. So, these are orange and yellows. That's very sunny. Like, what do you think? A nice sunny day. Such a nice sunshiny day. Ain't that pretty? That's beautiful. I love that. All right, so I love them all. I think there's a couple of these I think I might send to a couple of my friends here on YouTube that I know who will enjoy them. I will definitely keep these two because these two are my absolute favorites. I got the merino one here. That's so Bagoday. And then this one is another one. This is the regular Highland wool and the heathers. And that is so Bagoday too. So these both are mine. And I will make projects out of them. And the rest, like I said, I know a couple people who really enjoy these because I can't keep them all. I only buy them to show them and I give them away to people. That one's very pretty too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this one again. Such a good deal on that. Such a good deal. But yes, these are mine. Oh my. I love them. You know what? If I had not shot my yarn budget already since September 1st, I already shot it for the month. I would give more, but I can't. So you guys should head on over there because, like I said, it's a super nice company. I love them to death. I would recommend them to anyone. They have the amazing deals on high-end yarns. These mystery bags that they're doing is a really cool concept. They just started that because they show you, like I said, you get all the same brand of yarn. You know, you can pick which brand of the mystery bags that they have. You can pick which ones that you want. You know, they got Pima cotton and the wool and other kinds. But then you just don't know what colors are going to coordinate for you, which is the mystery. But they do a dang fine job at coordinating those yarns, if you ask me. Any of those 5 packs, you could use any of them together. I mean, it would work with all the colors that they put together would work well in one project. I want more, but I can't. Thanks everybody for watching. Check Little Knits out, okay? I'll put a link below. Remember, I'm not affiliated with them. I just love them so much. Bye guys. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.